This is not over when it comes to Rgti. What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to have a no BS price prediction as to exactly where I see Rgti heading in the upcoming weeks. With that said, my friends, I would appreciate if you guys hit the thumbs up button. And also, listen, my birthday is coming up on January 25th, on January 15th, my apologies, and I only have one wish. I'm turning 25 and I only have one wish. To have 25,000 subscribers before my birthday. At the rate which we've been going, it's extremely possible for us to get this many subscribers in about a week or so. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know it's an ambitious goal, but I believe that you guys are a loving, caring crowd. So please do hit the subscribe button to get me to 25K. And if I'm at 25K by January 15th, we will also be having a $2,500 giveaway to one lucky subscriber. With that said, let's get into Rgti and where do I see Rgti heading from here on out, and why I believe that Rgti's reign is yet not over. Today's video is going to have three main parts: the why, the what, and the when. The why is going to be doing a catalyst breakdown, the what is going to be doing a stock analysis, and then the when, we're going to be talking about the charts, when to get in, when to get out. So with that said, hit the thumbs up button, and now let's get into it. So when it comes to Rgti, we always want to analyze the why, right? The why first. Why do we want to know the why first? Because in order to predict the future, we first need to understand the past, right? And when it comes to Rgti, its downtrend, guys, has just been due to the market shift, both in the quantum computing space and also in the regular market space, right? I think that in the regular markets, the markets have been dipping, right? When we go to the S&P 500, when we pull up the SPY, we see exactly that. Let's go over here. SPY 500 ETF, right? The markets have been dipping, although they are at a crucial level of support. And then when we go back to Rgti and the whole quantum sector, you guys already know what happened. We had Jensen Hung come out and say that, oh my God, there's going to be no quantum computing for the next 10 to 15 years. It's a thing that's for the future and blah, 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 right? A bunch of things that pretty much benefit his company, NVIDIA. Okay, which is not surprising. I'm just surprised that people are really drinking the Kool-Aid which he's selling, which is, again, nothing tends to surprise me these days when it comes to the markets. And I think that, the same way that we got this massive excitement rally to the upside, we're getting the disappointment rally to the downside. But then we're going to get a point of return. Now, I believe that that point of return could be all the way at $6 per share when it comes to Rgti. In our own trading community, right, we did play this little dead cat bounce over here, right, at around the $10 levels. We played it from $10 to $10.80. If I can go ahead and actually show you guys over here. It was a swing alert, actually. There we go. Rgti. There we go. This is Rgti, right? So we jumped in at a 10.1 level, and then we exited at 10.85. And I was like, none will average down because I believe that it was going to recover, right? And this was a red alert. So again, 7% gains, that's nothing massive, right? But I'll tell you guys something. One of the things that turned me profitable, I've been day trading for 8 years now, right? And the number one thing that turned me profitable, guys, was understanding that it's a lot easier to get 10 different stocks to give you 10% than one stock to give you 100%, right? And I think this Rgti trade was exactly the epitome of that, right? Is that we went ahead, we took our 7% gains, and we were happy with it, and everyone walked away happy. And now we even have some gains to play with when it comes to Rgti, right? This is also our Discord, guys. We give you access to our day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, crypto alerts, lessons, one-on-one access to me, everything. It comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. So if you guys are interested, do check it out. Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for your hard work on all the community. My 7-day free trial finished. It was great. I think you can for the membership last week. 7K in 7 days he brought in. This was his free trial week, by the way, just so you know, right? So he hadn't even paid us a cent then, right? My first ever gain since joining Top Chart Academy. This community is also, guys, our YouTube channel. I got no doubt in joining. Thank you, buddy. Said Sam. I appreciate you. Before joining Top Chart Academy Monday, I've been negative 12K this year. What a weekend, what a day. Very thankful they keeping my membership. 92%, right? Let's jump to a earlier time. Now look, this just continues going and going and going, right? It really, there's really no end to it at all, right? But let's go ahead. May not look too much in comparison to other wins, but as a 16-year-old big achievement, thanks to Sam and AG Racing, right? We've been kicking ass, guys. Let's jump to an earlier date. Let's jump to like the past couple of days or so, right? Since the Discord in October 23, spent a lot of time with Sam and AG Racing. These are the top 3K over here. First day being a client, made 12% on next year. Decided to sign Slotty. 10 trades, 10% is a lot. Literally what I was talking about, right? Guys, we've been kicking us. Literally a new member over here. New member. It's not just about gains, also teaching. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Sam. The rest again for us for $500 today. New member. This is literally a new member. As you guys can see, it says I'm new here. Say hi. Right? And also right now, one more thing, guys. We do have a sale. We do have a sale for the next 10 members that join. They get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. So if you guys are interested in that, check it out. Listen, what I would do personally if I was in your situation is I would at least try the first 7-day free trial. See if I make money or not. If I make money, I'll stick around. If I don't make money, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave. Okay? And I think, we have over 600 members now for a reason. Why? Because we are making people money, right? Steve says, Cooler Profits, up 11,409 days trading with you guys in a 25K account. Interesting. Real people, man, real results, right? Depro says it's not easy being green unless you're in this Discord. Turn 30K to 37K, 20% gains over there. And yeah, maybe pause and read some of these. So check it out. What I would do if I was in this situation is I would join, try out the first 7 days because it's a 7-day free trial, right? You literally don't even get charged. See if I like the Discord or not. If I like it, I'll stick around. If I don't like it, I'll pack my bags and I'll leave and I'll never look back, okay? And there's that. We did also trade RGTI multiple times, so RGTI $20 per share. Now, going back to what I was talking about regarding RGTI. So let's talk about the catalyst breakdown over here, right? The catalyst that is causing the stock to drop is going to be, where is this? The catalyst that's making the stock drop is really just more of a market sentimental thing rather than a stock specific thing. So we're going to put this, and we're going to put this as okay, right? Because again, it's not really the worst news ever, so we're going to put it as okay. Now, let's talk about the company's finances. When it comes to RGTI, my friends, RGTI right now has 48.7 months of operating expenses covered because every 3 months they're burning approximately $14 million, as you guys can see, every quarter, which is 3 months. They're burning $14 million, and right now the company has $227 million on hand. So when we go over here and when we rank their finances are actually in a pretty good financial place, right? They're very healthy when it comes to their earnings. Now, next thing which we want to talk about is going to be the probability of them rug pulling us. The probability of them rug pulling us is actually historically high, although right now I don't think they'll do such thing because their overhead supply is low and their offering ability, although it may be high, their overhead supply is still low and their cash need is also low. They don't really need money right now in order to go ahead and rug pull us, right? I think that when you go over here, they did just about a month ago announce the pricing of a $100 million offering. So they just also had an offering about a month ago. So they're not really going to go ahead and dilute us that much. So we're going to put that the probability of them diluting us is low. Therefore, it's good. Okay, that's a good thing. Now, next thing which we want to talk about is going to be the company's short interest. Okay, because I think this is something that's very interesting. The company's short interest right now is sitting at approximately 14.6%. Now, this 14.6% is interesting because it's not really 14.6%. This 14.6%, my friends, is just the tip of the iceberg. Doesn't account for naked shorts, doesn't account for synthetic shares, doesn't account for dark pool volume. So it's really closer to, I would say, 30%, if anything, right, when it comes to the short interest. Because, again, tip of the iceberg stuff. So when it comes to RGTI, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this as well, the short interest. We got our short king over here at okay. Now, next thing which we want to talk about is going to be the chart. Unfortunately, the chart does look horrifying, right? So I could see it coming all the way down and dipping to $6.20. Now, we do have an algo, a specific algo in our community, which we've been using, which has been very, very profitable, right? And our algo did show a support level from 7.6 to 7.5-ish, okay? So we do also have a support level around 7.5 to 7.6-ish. So that's also going to be really interesting for you guys to take advantage of, the algo which we offer in our community. And if it breaks those levels, it's headed to 6.2, man. It's headed for 6.2 to $6, potentially $6. If it breaks $6, it's falling all the way down to this $4 level, which is not going to be beautiful for this stock, right? It's not going to be beautiful for the stock at all. So we're going to go ahead and rank the chart as honestly pretty bad. The chart does not look healthy at all. So overall, guys, when it comes to RGTI, I think that this is a stock that is too soon to call. However, it's also too soon to rule out, right? Because again, their finances are good, the short interest is pretty high. So if we do see a trend of, if someone comes out and denies exactly what our friend Jensen Hung said about the quantum computers, whether it's the Google CEO, whether it's anyone that comes out and says anything that has any merit, right? Then we'll see an absolute rally in these tickers. So for me, I think that when it comes to a long-term hold, these are companies that are going to be relatively good as a long-term hold, but I think that, people, I think that you got to also know how to play the trends, right? And you got to know how to get in and get out quick, right? And when it comes to trading these stocks, if you guys want to get in these stocks early, guys, check out our Discord, okay? Check out our Discord. I'm telling you guys, we have over 600 members for a reason. And right now, like I said, the next 10 members that join, they get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. There's never been a better time to try out the free trial. Try out the free trial, see if you make money. If you make money, stick around. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave. It's that simple. We have lessons in there, one-on-one access, you name it, we got it, okay? All right, with that said, my friends, I wish you guys the best of luck, man, whether it's in trading of their life. Thanks for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.